So it's not a case of is it going to kill you, it's how quickly it's going to kill you.
It is my pleasure to be here at the site of the GSI Electric Vehicle Training. This is an excellent initiative here in St. Kitts and Nevis, given the fact that the government is pushing heavily towards the transition to renewable energy and all of its subsidiaries. We are also in the process of finalizing our electric vehicle policy. So having these types of trainings are so very critical to be in line, lockstep with what we're doing as a ministry and as a government.
My name is Fitzroy Wilkin. I'm the Curriculum Development Officer at CFBC. We have been working with GSI to train persons in the area of solar PV and EV.
Morning everybody, I'm Andy and I'm your technical trainer for today's training, or this week's training. We're looking at electric vehicles and we're looking at the shift away from diesel and gasoline towards electric vehicles and fuel cells. Your training and discipline as a modern technician, combined with the personal protective equipment, the proper tools, the processes, will allow you to stay safe. As level 3 technicians, which is what you're going to end up being, you are going to be the acknowledged expert on high voltage. What you're seeing here is more than just a component being removed. This is the heart of an electric vehicle, the battery. And removing it safely means applying everything we've learned. Shutdown procedures, PPE, testing, and electrical isolation.
My name is Nicholson Webster. I'm the Chief Foreman Mechanic at the Vehicle Maintenance Division. Public Works Department want to be ahead of the game. We want to make sure that we stay informed and ready to perform any duties on these EV vehicles.
I'm Fire Substation Officer Gums here at the CFBC. This training would impact our organization, the fire department, in helping us to move forward in the future pertaining to electrical vehicles. This training would help us to know where the batteries are, how much water to actually use to extinguish these fires.
My name is Vince Archibald. I work here at the college. I'm auto technician in charge of the college. So I've been working on the EV since last year, and this year I finished the level 4, and it's quite easy, quite simple to do. Level 4 is just about getting in depth with the batteries and how to discharge and safely put it back together and whatnot.
I've seen some amazing progress from the guys that we're training this week. They have learnt so much and they've progressed very, very far with their knowledge and their understanding of electric and hybrid vehicles, and most importantly, how to stay safe when they're working on these vehicles, which is the critical part of what we're teaching them. As volumes of these vehicles increase, their knowledge, their experience will be essential for this country, for this region, for this area.
So I want to commend Dr. Wayne Archibald for his insight and for the support that he continues to provide to our nation and I know the broader Caribbean, and we look forward to the continued engagement from him and his team at GSI to provide the resources that are necessary to upskill our people to be ready for this transition that is inevitable and that we must embrace. So you should be a part of it too, wherever you are. Check out GSI. I think it's a credible organization that can lend tremendous support to your own transition.